So before I show you how I reinforce the seat, I just want to, I guess, complain about Mercedes-Benz the 124. I mean, it's a great car, but the seats are an issue. And we know this. We know Mercedes knew this because here it is. You know, here's the spring, part 8. But you could, like taxi drivers and stuff, could get this reinforced pad, 124 910 3050. And you can see it here. You know, there it is. No springs, just a thick foam pad. And we all wish we had that instead of these springs.
The other way we know that Mercedes knew they had a problem with these seats is in early versions of this car, they did not have these foam bolsters here, these foam adapters. My car came with them, but they're pretty worthless. They're not firm and provide really no support. And this is part number 12491011675. So don't bother investing in these if your car does not have them.
So the idea here is to stuff something in between these springs so they no longer spring. So this is real rigid when you sit on it. What I thought would work well is yoga blocks because they're so firm. So I cut a couple of them up into smaller yoga blocks to stick between each spring.
This is a two-handed job, so I can't really show this, but one tip is you're going to want to start at the top, as I've done here, and you work your way down to the bottom. It's a little tight, and that's this first one at the top. So do that one first. So there's our mini yoga block stack. It's really super firm and packed in there. One thing I did learn is you start at the top, do the second one, do the bottom one, and then just jam this one in here. And it takes a lot of elbow grease, but it's worth it because this is like a rock now.